It's better. Otherwise, tomorrow onwards, I will record the meeting. Two-dimensional heat equation.
Sir, disconnected, sir. இப்பதான் மறுபடியும் reconnect
Okay, okay. What about that? That one more person, Verma is there. Verma is there. Syed and Mohammed, one more person. Nearly 4 or 5 of them are there. 4 plus
sir.
1 plus 1.
Message
6 members
message வேணா
total.
பண்ணியாரு சார் குரூப்ல.
Ah, the one-dimensional. Sorry. Okay. The one-dimensional heat equation in unsteady state is dou u by dou t equal to alpha square dou square u by dou x square. It is one-dimensional heat equation. Extend this concept to two-dimensional. To two-dimensional, we will get that dou u by dou t equal to alpha square dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. This is the two-dimensional heat equation. This is the two-dimensional heat equation unsteady state. This unsteady state. Unsteady state. Steady state condition means steady state condition means the heat flow is independent of time t. That means u of x comma y is not a function of t. Therefore, dou u by dou t equal to 0. The two-dimensional heat equation. The two-dimensional heat equation in steady state is dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Is also known as Laplace equation. Is also known as Laplace equation in two dimensions. Laplace equation in two dimensions. Fourier series solution Fourier series solution in Cartesian coordinate. Fourier series solution in Cartesian coordinates. Write the heading. This is the heading, Fourier series solution of Cartesian coordinates. Subheading, solution of two-dimensional heat equation. Solution of two-dimensional heat equation. Let the two-dimensional heat equation is in steady state dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. So what are the solutions? There are three possible solutions. Possible solutions of There are three possible solutions of two-dimensional steady state heat flow or steady state heat equation. Steady state heat equation. First one is u of x comma y equal to a1 e power px plus a2 e power minus px a3 cos py a3 cos py plus a4 sin py a4 sin py. This is the first one solution. Second possible solution is a5 cos px u of x comma y equal to a5 cos px plus a6 sin px a7 e power py plus a8 e power minus py. Last one is third one, u of x comma y equal to a9x plus a10 a11x plus a12. These are the possible solutions. So these are the different solution of Laplace equation. These are the different solution of Laplace equation. So these are the three possible solution of two-dimensional steady-state equation. The two-dimensional steady-state equation is also known as Laplace equation. Now we will look at problem one by one. Already we have studied that one dimensional heat equation, na? Write the problem. Obtain the one dimensional heat flow equation.
சார் சம்பத் சார் ஏதோ அசைன்மெண்ட் போஸ்ட் சார்.
அசைன்மெண்ட் போஸ்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காரா?
ஆமா சார்.
சரி சரி. என்ன அசைன்மெண்ட்?
அசைன்மெண்ட் 1, 2 வந்துருந்துச்சு.
2 அசைன்மெண்ட் வந்திருக்கா?
ஆமா சார்.
நானும் ஒரு எப்படி நானும் ஒரு அசைன்மெண்ட் கொடுப்பேன். நீங்க இந்த மாடல் எக்ஸாமுக்குள்ள கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணி அனுப்பிச்சு விட்டுருங்க அசைன்மெண்ட்.
சார் ஓகே சார்.
மார்க் இன்டர்னல் மார்க் வேணும்ல?
எஸ் சார்.
அட்டன் பண்ணுங்க. சப்மிட் பண்ணுங்க. என்ன டேட் கொடுத்துருக்கேன்? எத்தனை நாள் கொடுத்துருக்கேன்?
டேட்டு ஒரு நிமிஷம் சார்.
பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க.
சார் 25th ஏப்ரல் சார்.
25th ஏப்ரல் கொடுத்துருக்காரா?
ஆமா
10 days கொடுத்துருக்காரு. சரி, எப்படி நானும் வந்து அசைன்மெண்ட் கொடுப்பேன். ஏன்னா நான் ஃபோரியர் சீரிஸ் எடுத்தேன். ஃபோரியர் சீரிஸ்லேருந்து நான் கொடுக்குறேன் அசைன்மெண்ட் ஒன்று கொடுக்கணும் எப்படி இருந்தாலும்.
சரி ஓகே.
ஃபோரியர் சீரிஸ், ஃபோரியர் டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம் 2 எடுத்தேன் இல்லையா? டோட்டலா 5 அசைன்மெண்ட்டுப்பா. டோட்டலா 5 அசைன்மெண்ட்.
ஓகே சார்.
ஆமா 5 அசைன்மெண்ட் உங்களுக்கு. சரியா? எல்லா சப்ஜெக்ட்லயும் அசைன்மெண்ட் உங்களுக்கு இருக்கா இல்லையா இப்போ?
சார் எல்லாம் சேர்த்து எவ்வளவு மார்க் சார்? அசைன்மெண்ட் மார்க் நமக்கு 15 மார்க் தானே சார்?
10 மார்க்ப்பா. எல்லா அசைன்மெண்ட் சேர்த்து 10 மார்க்.
சார் 2 அசைன்மெண்ட்
சார் கொடுக்குறாங்க. ஃபேக்கல்டி எல்லாம் சர்ப்ரைசஸ் போல 2 அசைன்மெண்ட் தந்துருவாங்க சார்.
அவங்க டோட்டலாவே 2.
சரிப்பா, அதான் 2 அசைன்மெண்ட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கல்ல. இன்கேஸ் ஓகே, நான் வேணா இன்னொரு அசைன்மெண்ட் கொடுக்குறேன். முதல் சம்பத் சார்கிட்ட நான் கேட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் உங்களுக்கு வரேன். சரியா?
ஓகே சார்.
ஓகே சார்.
சரி ஓகே.
டோட்டலா 2
கேஸ் அதுவே போதும்னா ஓகே, இல்லனா அது கொடுக்கணும்னா
போதும் சார்.
சரியா?
ஓகே சார். CT2ல மார்க் ரொம்ப கம்மியா வந்திருக்கு சார்.
படிக்கணும்னு அர்த்தம்
சார். சார் படிச்சு தான் சார் போட்டோம்.
இல்லையேப்பா. Finite plate with value given in x direction. Okay, so type 1 problem, write down. Type 1 problem, finite plate with value given in x direction. Value given in x direction. Value given in x direction. So that's meaning is boundary conditions. Usually how many boundary conditions are there? For the 2-dimensional means 4 boundary conditions. There are totally 4 boundaries are there. 4 boundary conditions will be given. If it is the 2-dimensional equation, if it is a square plate, if it is a square plate, it is 0, the point A, B, C. Okay, so here the u of x comma y is the temperature. U of x comma y is the temperature. Here always here x equal to, sorry, here it is a x-axis na, y equal to 0. So in the place u of 0 comma y we can write u of 0 comma y. Always y is varying, but u of 0 comma y. This can be written as u of x comma 0. This line temperature is u of x comma 0. Okay. In case if it is a, x equal to a, this one is x equal to a. Here the temperature is x equal to a na, a comma y. So here x is varying, u of, in case if it is y equal to b, this line is y equal to b. So y equal to b means u of b comma y. Here y axis na, y axis mean x equal to 0, 0 comma y. X axis means y equal to 0. This x comma 0. X comma, sorry, x comma b. Here the boundary conditions, we can see that boundary conditions are u of 0 comma y equal to 0. One is u of 0 comma y equal to 0. Second one is u of l comma y equal to 0. U of l comma y equal to 0. Third one is u of x comma 0, x comma 0 equal to 0. Last one, fourth boundary condition is u of x comma l, u of x comma l equal to f of x. That means the finite plate with values given in x direction. What is x comma l? This is x comma l. This is x comma l. That means b is fixed here. B is fixed here. That is x comma. That means y axis is fixed here. U of x comma l equal to some f of x. So here this value is given some f of x. All the other n's are fixed as 0. That time, how can we? What is the suitable solution? That time, what is the suitable solution? The suitable solution is given by how to choose the suitable solution. Okay, here finite plate with the value given in x direction. In case u of x comma l or u of x comma 0 equal to some f of x. X is varying. If x is varying here, y is fixed. Y is fixed. X is varying. We can write the note. If x is varying and y is fixed, y is fixed, then y is fixed, then the suitable solution is u of x comma t equal to a cos px plus b sin px c cos pt plus c sin, sorry, c e power pt plus b e power minus pt. Okay. This note 1. Note 2 is if x is fixed, and y is varying, then the suitable solution is u of x comma t, sorry, not u of x comma y, u of x comma y equal to a e power px plus b e power minus px c cos pt plus d sin pt, c cos pt plus d sin pt. That is non-zero boundary condition. That is non-zero boundary condition is parallel to x-axis, the sine and cosine term, are present in x, At the same time, the non-zero boundary condition is parallel to y-axis, then sine and cosine term are present in cos p1 plus d sin p1 are present in y. Okay, this is the shortcut. Okay, if the boundary condition is non-zero boundary condition, the non-zero boundary condition is parallel to x-axis. It is parallel to x-axis, then only is not equal to 0. All the other things are equal to 0 given. In case the three edges are 0, the only one edge is non-zero, which is parallel to x-axis, then this is the suitable solution. It is a very important point. Two things are very important point. Therefore here u of x comma l equal to some f of x. U of x comma l equal to f of x. This is parallel to x-axis, which is non-zero. Then the suitable solution is first. So how to choose the suitable solution is very important. Then how to solve it one by one. We can write the solution here. Sorry. First we have to write one problem. So what are the important questions here? What are the important MCQ? First MCQ is what is called the Laplace equation. The Laplace equation is dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. See, first MCQ is what is the Laplace equation. Second one is what are the possible solutions? Of Laplace equation. Third one is if u of x comma y or x comma 0 or x comma l is not equal to 0, then what is the suitable solution? then what is the suitable solution? Similarly, u of L comma y is not equal to 0, then what is the suitable solution? Okay, for the first one, it is the answer. For the second one, it is the answer. Okay, fine. What is called a steady state and steady state? What is called a steady state and unsteady state? Already I told now what is called a steady state. Anybody available? Aravind is there. Ishwari, Ishwaramurthy, Siddhartha. What is called a steady state?
It will remain steady, sir. Everything will remain
No.
constant.
Very simple. If dou u by dou t equal to 0, that is called a steady state. If dou u by dou t is not equal to 0, that is unsteady state. That means the temperature distribution of the plate is independent of time t. That is the temperature distribution of the plate is independent of time t. That is called a steady state. Here the temperature distribution u of x comma y is dependent on time t. Is dependent on time t is called unsteady state. Okay, so these are the possible MCQs. Then it is a two-dimensional heat equation. Sixth one, what is three-dimensional heat equation? Three-dimensional heat equation. Dou u by dou t equal to alpha square, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square. Problem. First problem, a square plate is bounded by a square plate is bounded by the lines x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to L, y equal to L. Its faces are insulated. Faces are insulated. Insulated means already you have studied about that insulated in one-dimensional heat equation. Na? What is mean by insulated? Insulate plate. No or not? Siddharth, insulate plate. Temperature along the temperature along upper horizontal edge, upper horizontal edge is given by u of x comma t equal to x into L minus x, while the other three edges, are kept at 0 degrees C. Find the steady state temperature. In the plate. Temperature in the plate. Find the steady state temperature in the plate. Write the solution. The two-dimensional heat equation in steady state is dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. So here the square plate is bounded by the lines. X equal to 0, this x equal to 0, this y equal to 0, and x equal to L, y equal to L. This x equal to L, and then it is y equal to L. Its faces are insulated. Insulates means if you that means heat any of the edge, then the heat will not be passes in the plate immediately. Then it's fully heated. Then it is uniformly heated throughout the plate. Uniformly heat throughout the plate. That is called the insulated plate. Now its faces are insulated. The temperature along the upper horizontal edge, u of x comma t, here u of x comma t equal to x into L minus x. that is equal to x into L minus x, upper horizontal edge. This is the upper horizontal edge. That is u of x comma L, na? X comma, not x comma t, x comma L, sorry. It is x comma L. This u of x comma L. So, and whereas other three edges are kept at 0 degree C. That means here u equal to 0, here also u equal to 0, here also u equal to 0. All the other three edges are u equal to 0. And then the upper horizontal edge is x into L minus x. Okay. Find the steady state temperature in the plate. First, we have to write the boundary conditions. From the given problem, the boundary conditions are 1 u of 0 comma y, u of 0 comma y equal to 0, 2 u of L comma y equal to u of 0 comma y equal to 0, u of L comma y, here it is that u of 0 comma y, this temperature is u of L comma y, all is 0. Then the third one is, first you have to write the zero boundary condition, then you come to that non-zero boundary condition. Third one, u of x comma 0 is 0, u of x comma L, last one, u of x comma L equal to x into L minus x, x into L minus x. So therefore, now the suitable solution is u of x comma y equal to a cos px plus b sin px c e power py plus d e power minus py. Since, what is the reason? Since the non-zero boundary condition is parallel to x-axis. The non-zero boundary condition is parallel to x-axis. Then, since the non-zero boundary condition is parallel to x-axis, therefore the cos and sin terms is present in x. In case that non-zero boundary condition is parallel to y-axis, then the sine and cosine terms will present in y. Okay. So based on this, you have to choose the condition. So here we are writing that two-dimensional heat equation, then respective boundary condition. Then you have to write the, so this is equation number 2. This is equation number 3. Then in the next class, we will solve the remaining problem. Okay. So over the present now, Siddharth Sinha and Ishwaramurthy, Aravind Menon. Okay, fine. Siddharth Sinha.